Good day, everyone. Good day, classmates. Good day, ma'am. I am Mira Flor Burial Gamayot from Mindanao Cluster. Today, I would like to discuss to you about the five literary genres with definitions and features. First, we tackle about the fiction. It is literature created from the author's imagination, depicting invented characters, events, and settings. And its features focuses on plot, character, setting, theme, and point of view. It is divided into subgenres: short story, over 1,000 to 20,000 words; novella, 20,000 to 50,000 words; and novel, over 50,000 words. It is classified as literary fiction, emphasizes writing style and depth, or genre fiction. It is plot-driven. Example, it is mystery or fantasy. And its video resource, fiction or definition. Second is non-fiction. Literature, it is the literature based on facts, real events, and real people intended to inform, explain, or persuade. And its features, it requires commitment to truthfulness, may include photos, diagrams, or cited sources for support. Subgenres include biography, autobiography, memoir, essay, and journalism. It is also organized using text structures like cause-effect, compare, contrast, or sequential order. Third is poetry, a genre that uses rhythmic and aesthetic qualities of language to convey emotion and meaning. It employs elements like meter, rhyme, line breaks, and stanzas. Free verse lacks strict rules. Relies on literary device such as metaphor, alliteration, and onomatopoeia. It includes also subgenres like ballad, elegy, sonnet, and epic. Fourth is drama. Next is drama, a genre designed for performance, telling stories through dialogue and action, from the Greek word for action. It features written with dialogue and stage directions to guide actors. Structured into acts and scenes, can be prose or verse. Subgenres include tragedy, comedy, morality plays, and musical theater. Fifth is the folklore. Is traditional stories, customs, and beliefs passed down orally through generations within a culture. And its features, reflects cultural values and preserve heritage, includes myths, explains origins, legends, and verified but believed stories, and trickster's tales. Often features supernatural elements or larger-than-life characters. It evolves over time as it's shared and adapted. And that's all for today. Thank you.